Hey guys, what's up, Spats? Here again, another video, and today we are here at Altachera, Caltex Altachera, and we are with NUCP and GMRC, or Good Men Motorcycle Club. Today we're gonna go to a charity event, and then after that we're gonna go ahead and chill to a farm spot in Dumarao. Okay, so let me go ahead and give you our route for today's ride. Okay, let's go.
Okay guys, so we're gonna start off at Caltex Altachera, where we're gonna go ahead and fuel and prep for the ride, and after that we're gonna go head straight to Dumangas, which is around 20 minutes. Then after that we're gonna wait for the other groups who's gonna come to the charity, and then we're gonna drop off the donation to the charity event. Then after that we're gonna go head straight back on the road through Barotac Nuevo and then Pototan. Then after that, we're gonna go head straight to the next city, which is Pasig City. Then after that, it's a long stretch for around 20 minutes up to Dumarao, into the place where we're gonna eat lunch and then chill. So I'm not gonna make any on-ride commentaries or vlog kasi sira yung mic adapter ko for the GoPro. I'm just gonna go ahead and vlog when I get to the spot where we're gonna stop for the event or to rest or to whatever, so that I can update you on what we are doing on the road. Okay? Let's go.
So nag-huddle na kami. We're gonna go ahead and gear up, then we're gonna go. Okay, let's go. Ride safe. Dumangas Plaza. Ayan, kasama namin kumakain na. Then ayan yung the rest of the team. What's up? NUCP and GMRC, Good Men Motorcycles Club, and NMAX United Iloilo chapter. So we're gonna wait here to drop off the charity donation that we have, and then after that we're gonna proceed to where we're gonna have lunch, which is Uma Cafe. Experience the farm life. If you haven't checked that place out, check out my video. I did a full vlog on that place. It's a really cool place. That's where we're gonna go to, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so we're done here. We're gonna go gear up, and then we're gonna go head to Uma Cafe, where we're gonna go and eat lunch. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, so we're here already at the charity site. We're just gonna drop the donation and then we're gonna go. Okay, so ayan. Si Babe. Ayan.
Sulog-sulog jam lang.
Okay guys, so this is the beneficiary site. Okay, so tapos na kami dito. We're gonna gear up, and then sana kaming Pasig, and then tomorrow because we're gonna have lunch. Let's go!
Okay guys, so we've stopped here at Bototan because hey doggy, because we're trying to wait for the guys who are behind us to catch up. So ayan, medyo naghintay kami dito, and then at the same time kine-check ko kung okay yung panahon kasi earlier as you saw medyo gloomy yung weather. So, I'm certain na uulan dun sa bandang Pasig. Okay, so let's go.
Grabe gani.
Ulan mo.
Wasak-wasak. Okay, so hintayin natin yung ano. Makakasama naman natin na naiwan.
Yun ang uma.
Ilidalan lang bali. Araw kita mo ng bukid ginaaw sa piyak sina. Di malibot na daw dra mo na oh.
Pos pa lang.
Ha? Hindi ka na magsulod pre.
Ha?
Bilin tang mga motor sa sagwa kay masaka ka sa bukid sa babaw.
Ate sige dito na lang ta.
Dito na lang ta. Oh, sige sige.
Kasi ang dito na pasilong.
Okay. Okay. Dito, ambot ko pwede naka-park pre. Hindi ko to yayat ma, bulid-bulid ko na dakaron. Bulid-bulid ko na dakaron. Mas mo tumba. Ay, okay. Din mayo man.
Pwede mo din sa
Dire okay man ko dia.
Pwede mo din. Pero pinakamukha no, sa Damo ka mo?
20 kami nagpa-book ko to kay Boss Al.
Oo.
Kabalo naman to siya, kamabot kami subong nga ugto.
Pero ang tanay mo to sa dre lang sa sulod sir.
Sa sulod na lang.
Gadi sa sila vegetable.
Jay, sa sulod lang ano? Kay ga-display na sila daw uling.
Dre na sir sa akong sir. 20 ka mo? Pwede mo din sir.
Ay hindi do 18 lang.
Okay. Kay gadi sa sila.
Ano ko? Namin ko sa may kawayan na blaw. Lampas ang kawayan.
Oo na.
Pwede na ta?
Lampas ko yan sir.
Hindi na pwede. Dito.
Pwede na dito.
Dito pre.
Dito. Oh. Sa likod sa ano sir, sang Terra, Nissan Terra.
Okay. Sige na.
Sir, ay damo ko pinto. Pwede. Pwede sir, hindi lang pwede lang. Hindi na lang. Okay.
Are de pre, balik alas la pre.
Ay sir.
Dito de pre. Gayot.
I feel good. I feel sleepy.
Sakam ko kita nan nga lutak di. Nabla siya ako kita na una. Nabla siya.
Layo pa lagi na singo buga mabuylo ako niya. Bala na.
Puta jura ng GoPro.
Gani. Dali lang eh mga usay ko danay. Kailangan mo usay ko danay dali. Abaw di buga grabe. Duna no magin grabe tikitig aba.
Oo.
Oh, positive. Jet, ma'am. Ano, positive ka mo to? Alam si tita rin mo. Ta.
Okay, isol. Hop. Ay puta nag-record pa nila eh. What the fuck? Okay guys, so we've arrived at Uma. What's up? Ano yung sa na pre? Okay, so we're gonna go up. Kasi ang daming tao dito, oh my god. Weekends kasi, especially Sunday, ang daming pumupunta dito. So, we already booked a slot for the guys. So, we already have chairs and tables. So, we're gonna eat. Okay, let's go.
Picture video ka, radio, picture mo.
Iya din mo, grabe ako ba? Magi ka ba na yan? The owner because Sunday is fully booked day because a lot of people are coming. So right now we're gonna go ahead and order so we can have lunch. Let's go. That's here, and we are at the end of the video. Right now I'm on my way down because the motorcycles are on the road and we have to pack up and go home right now. So I hope you enjoyed our charity ride and lunch ride here at Uma Cafe. So if you're new to the channel, subscribe. Make sure to follow my social media accounts, Spads, YouTube. Okay, so until next time, ride safe. I will see you on the next video. Okay, bye.